Prosecutors in Hennepin County are now required to consider race when negotiating a plea deal. It's a resolution some Minnesota law professors argue could be considered unconstitutional.
Even if in the past some lawbreakers were keyed in on because of their race, I'm not sure she's going to be able to justify why now race should be a mitigating factor or a factor that excuses people's behavior.
A memo from Hennepin County Attorney Mary Moriarty's office says that proposed resolutions should consider the person charged as a whole person, including their racial identity and age. It goes on to say that prosecutors should address racial disparities as appropriate. University of Minnesota law professor Jill Hasday calls the memo ambiguous, while Associate Professor Rachel Moran, a St. Thomas School of Law assistant, she says it appears to be a sound policy.
As I read the statute, I think it's unconstitutional. The Supreme Court has been crystal clear about its extreme levels of hostility to government policies that consider race.
Personally, I think it's inappropriate and constitutionally sound policy. The prosecutor here is saying you should be attentive to racial disparities across your work. So they're not saying give this person a better or worse offer because of their race. That would be problematic.
In a statement, a spokesperson for the Hennepin County Attorney's Office says it's trying to address longstanding racial disparities and, quote, we would neglect our duty of pursuing fair and just outcomes if we pretended these just didn't exist.